Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I was asked to show how to use my Lynda snap kit. So I decided to go ahead on and pull it out since I was working on a project and show you guys. And I know there are 100 million videos on YouTube that shows this, but hey, this will be my first video, so it'll be my only, okay? So let's go ahead on and get this party started. First off, I will have a affiliate link to this in the description box below this video. So if you're interested in this, check down there and there's a link. It'll take you right to it. You get 24 different colors in this kit right here, and you get the snap pliers or whatever you want to call them, and all of this stuff. You get an extra rod. You get the screwdriver. This is the plier itself. You get these disc caps. That's what these are called. Did I miss anything? I think that is it. Okay, so let me explain a few things real quick. Of course, we all know that the awl is it's just a paper piercer, so that's what we got, that one. You're gonna have two of these rods right here, and the rod that's installed in your pliers, which is here, that's a standard one. So you'll use this size rod on almost all of your snaps. This rod right here is a bigger one. They look the same, but what's the difference is this part right here. This is a this one is 5 millimeters. The one that's in there is 3 millimeters, and you will only use this one if you're using snaps that are a size 24 or larger. Okay, so we can just put that out the way because I don't anticipate using 24 inch or whatever. I'm sorry, size 24 snaps. So we're going to use what's standard, and what's standard in this one is a 12 millimeter snap kit. Oh, sorry, a 12 millimeter disc cap. That's what's installed in here. And here are additional disc caps. I do not know the sizes of these, but I'm sure we can find out. What I will do is contact the distributor and ask them what sizes are these. Okay, put these there, and I think that's it. And this screwdriver is for when you want to change the disc caps. There's the screw right there, and you will use the screwdriver to remove it and change the disc caps. Let's put that over there. And okay, so like I said, this is a 12 millimeter set right here. It's already pre-installed, so I'm going to install these on some envelopes. I had been watching Natalie, and she did these envelopes like this. This little, what are these? Laminated envelopes, and I thought they were cute. So I wanted to do some for myself. So I just went on and did these two. I cut them out already. These were 8.5 by 8.5 inch sheets. I used my envelope punch board and started out at 3 3/4 and laminated them and trimmed them and all of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put my snaps in before I adhere it together. So excuse me with the sniffles. And by the way, I got this thing right here. I've had this thing for about 100 years. It's just a 4-inch setting mat from, what is this, Making Memories. Like I said, I had this forever. So that's what I'm going to be using too. And we're going to start off with this one. I just like this paper. I think this is unicorns and something stack. I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead on and do it. I'm going to go ahead on and, because I'm going to go ahead on and fold this. This has already been scored and trimmed and all that goodness. And this is actually one that I messed up on, but I'm not gonna get rid of it because I actually like it. So, and it's okay. It can stay. It can live right there with the rest of them. So what I'm just gonna do is do this number right here, and I'm gonna put this in so I don't pierce through the rest of it. And I think I want it about right up in here. So I'm just going to take it and poke the hole. It's probably not going to be centered. So I've been through 1, and I think that's number 2. So let me check and see. Yep, that's a little hole right there. So I am going to just push that. Let me see, maybe make sure I get it right, y'all. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead on and punch the hole right through here with the awl. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There's my little hole right there. Just going to push that on through. There we go. Put this back on. Okay, now is the time when you choose, well, you choose your colors, but this is what we got. We got the caps with the prongs, which is this thing right here, and then you have your socket and you have your stud. Now which one goes on top is really up to you. I think I want my stud on top and my socket on the bottom, and this conversation sounds really wrong right now, but we're gonna keep it pushing. So let's see, I'm going to use this what is this sherbet color. Let me move that out the way. Okay, so I'm gonna start, I could start on the bottom, which would be fine. So I'm gonna start on the bottom. So I'm gonna put my prong on the inside, because when I flip it up, it's when it's gonna need to pull down and snap like such. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. And I have my socket. I'm gonna put my socket here. I'm just gonna mash it in. And hopefully I didn't take it too low so that this won't fit, because there's only so much space in there that you can use. Okay, no, I didn't. I did a pretty good job. And it's sitting in there really snug. You're not gonna be able to see that, but what I'll do is I'll show you guys. And then you just press real hard. And there it is. So, okay, let me do this right quick. And how you know you have the right size? Okay, when your prong fits right in and doesn't move or anything, it just sits there like perfect, that's when you know you have the right size. The right size cap like this to the right size disc cap has to be perfect. So if you don't, I think what'll happen is it'll move, and you probably won't be able to get a good closure. Okay, so now we're gonna do the top, and I'm gonna put the cap again on the outside, and I'm going to put my stud here. And I'm gonna get that in here like so. Make sure I got everything in there. Nope, it's not in there flush. There we go. I got it in there flush right now. And I'm going to just squeeze. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Let me fix that. There we go. Little mishap, but we got it straight. And if I just do this, it closes perfectly. So I am going to just put some tape on. I think I'm gonna put the tape, I usually will put the tape here and here. I think I'm gonna put the tape on here this time. I have some red line, this really, really thin red line. I don't know, is that 1/8 inch? 1/4 inch. I don't even know. Let's see if I can find where it starts. There we go. And I'm just gonna put some here, and I'm not gonna be, what's the word? I'm not gonna be real concerned about it because the snap is gonna really hold this closed. So wait, let me make sure I got it on right first. Okay. The snap is really gonna hold it closed, so I'm not gonna concern myself with, you know, stuff like, is it gonna hold and all of that, because the snap itself is gonna bear the most of the weight or the pressure. So we're gonna put some on this side. And guys, again, I am doing this at a different angle, and I just hope that when I see this video that everything is okay and I don't have to redo it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So I can get this off without a problem. I probably should have used the pokey tool to take this off. It looks like it's okay. Did I speak too soon? Okay, there we go. Alright. So I'm just gonna close these up like so. There we go. And okay, there's no sticky right there. And we're just gonna close this up. And there you have it. Okay guys, that is it for applying these snap. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.